Okay, so we will do some exploratory data analytics. So what we need to do first, import pandas as np. No, as pd. Okay, so that is the first step. And why we use for the data processing or for importing the csv file, actually we use the pandas library, right? And next is the import numpy, means numerical pi, as a np. This is we use for the some calculation purpose, some numerical calculation purpose, or you can say maths related thing. If you want to do, then we need to use this numpy. Okay, so this is the first step. Okay, so now what is the next? What we need to do? df. Yes, so df is equal to pd dot read, and now underscore csv, because this is the csv file we will call. Okay, and what is the file name? Because I already saved that file into the my present working dictionary. Okay, what is the present working dictionary? Okay, suppose I again add one column. What is the present working dictionary? There only I saved, that means in admin I saved that file, so I can directly call. And otherwise you need to put entire path. Okay, so now you able to call your file? Okay, we will see. So what is the file name? Data. Okay, I go to that file only. Then see. 1 minute. We are actually getting the Unicode error. That's why I use the encoding Latin one. Okay, and now I solved that error. Okay, so now these are the thing. Means what the thing is given. The type is given. Day for shipping. How much day will take for that particular product is given. Day for shipment schedule. Benefit per order. All the data is given. Okay, benefit per order, sale per customer, delivery status, it is advanced shipping, yeah, late, or it is a shipping on time, late delivery risk, how much risk is present in that particular or you can say shipment, as well as the category id is given, category name is given. So there are a lot of information is given in this data. Okay, so now, and how many number of row can you read? How many number of the row present? 1,80,000 and 53 is the column. Okay, so that without computer we can't read. Okay, and we can't identify what is the hidden pattern inside this data and what is the information available inside this data, right? That's why we need to do analytics. Okay, so now what the thing first we do, we just see the head, right? And how to see the head? The normal thing, just df dot head, and you will get the top 5 data, right? So I called and I got the top 5 data. Okay, this is the first step, and we already done this type of the thing. Now we will do some analysis, right? So the question may be come in your mind. Okay, when we this code may be not useful now, but here you are not getting entire 1 lakh 80,000 data, right? And I want to see entire data in one command. So how you can see? You need to set like that. Here I will write. There is the option is available in the pandas library. Set option, and here I will write display max column. Okay, so what I need to write, use this display dot max underscore columns. Okay, and here you need to write none, and no, none. Okay, if you write like that, okay, this particular code you need to write first. Okay, so I cut here and I again go to here. After pwd I try to run this code. Okay, so first I call this one And now if I call this df, then see you will get entire data in the one window. Okay, now you able to see entire data. Earlier we unable to see entire data, right? Entire data you are able to see. Now here you can see means 53 column, all the 53 column you can read. Okay, so now you can see even the product image is also available. Smartwatch, that is the image available, as well as the product name is available, product price is available. So all the information is given. Now we will do the some exploratory data analytics. Okay, so this is the code df. Okay, first you need to write like pd means pandas dot set option display dot max column, and none you need to write. Okay, so here the pandas show maximum column, means maximum means all column it shows. If you not run this particular code, then it shows some column only. But now you able to see entire column, means 53 column, all the column you able to read now. Use of the df dot columns, I can see all the columns name. Now go through the each column and try to understand about the data, means their type is present, product type you can say, day of shipping is given, day of shipment is scheduled, that is given inside that table, benefit per order is given, sell per customer is given, delivery status is given, late delivery risk is given, category id given, category name given, customer city given, country given, email ID given, full name, customer ID. There are a lot of information is available inside this data, right? So now, before the analysis, maybe in my mind comes, okay, what the information is not I required, that is the irrelated. So I can say the customer email ID, that is not required right now, because I'm doing the exploratory data analytics, means I want to summarize the entire data there, that is not play any role, right? As well as the this customer password also not play any role, and the images, that also not playing any role in my analysis, right? So I need to drop that column. How to drop that already we discussed, df dot drop. Okay, so I do that particular thing. Okay, df dot drop. Okay, and now I will call df dot drop, and what I want to drop, okay, that I will call here. So what I want to drop, customer email id. So where is the customer mail id? Even many more data also we can drop, but let it be. First how to drop that we try to understand. So where is the customer mail id? This one, customer email. Right now maybe I assume that that is not useful. In many cases maybe it is useful, okay, but I'm not using for my analysis. Let it. So customer password also I'm not using. Okay, put the customer password, and product image I will not use, right? Product image, where is the product image? This one. Okay, and now this I want to drop. Okay, so what I need to do, okay, you want to drop this column, no issue. The first point, what, okay, I just run this particular thing and see what is the df dot column. After that it shows the error. What error I'm getting? Let's see. Customer mail id not founded access. Okay, so x I need to divide. Okay, and what is the x means I need to give 1 equal to 1 for column, right? Okay, so I will write here, or you can write a x equal to 1, and now run. Okay, so this is the, after dropping I am getting the data. After dropping the 3 column I am getting this data. Okay, so this is the just I try to give the means thing कि how to drop a column that already you know. Access 0 means row, access 1 means column. Okay, so these are the some normal thing I am telling you. Now when we do the exploratory data analytics and anything, first what 1 minute. We when we do the exploratory data analytics, first we need to understand, okay, how many missing value available, means the data properly available or not. Okay, so what is the code that already we write in the earlier session also, df, okay, and dot is null value present, means is there any value which is missing in any column that we try to identify. Okay, so df dot is null. Okay, now sum this one. So this is the code, and when you run this code, you will get the idea, okay, is there any null value present inside the table when I run. So what is the output? Let's see. So you can easily see there is no null value. Okay, here lot of null value means data is not present with respect to the order zip code. Product description there also one, I think, okay, 1,80,000 product description related information is not present. So these are the thing which is not present inside your table. This information is missing. So how to check? Just one line of the code. You need to write what you need to write. The df dot is null. Is there any null value present? Then you need means dot sum. So you will get entire table related information. Any doubt? After seeing this data, okay, and you can easily see here कि the order zip code and product description, their data is missing. So what I will be do, the general thing कि there are lot of data missing, actually 1,55,000 and 1,80,000. So maximum data is missing, means you can say this line is totally empty, this column is totally empty, it is not useful at all. Okay, so what I will be do, I will drop that particular. 8 is okay, that is okay, 3 8 that is okay, but here all the data is missing na. When I talk about the order zip code and product description, their entire data approx missing, more than 1 lakh. So that information is not proper na, so I need to remove. In 1 lakh 8 is missing, means it's means you can say all data is present, 8 only 8 is missing na. Okay, so what we need to do, if a very large amount of the data is missing, then drop that particular column. That is not useful for us. We can't identify any pattern inside that column. Okay, so what I will be do, again I will type the same thing. What I need to do, the df dot drop, and what I want to drop, order zip code and product description. So this is the order zip code I want to drop. Okay, write down the order zip code. And what is the next thing you want to drop? Product description. Okay, so I will write the product description related. Okay, now where you want to drop this particular thing, in the column? Okay, so I will write access. Okay, can I run now? Okay, so this is the df dot drop, and now if I see that column is present or not. Okay, let's see, because I already called that max display na, so it always show the max display, but that is not present. And then can I save this particular thing in df1, so I can call, right? 1 minute, huh? So this is the question I need to address. And first I will call only data which are related to India. Okay. Okay. So DF, and what I want to call DF order. What is the column name? Just wait. I will call the column name again. 1 minute. DF1 dot column. I'm sorry. DF1. So DF1 dot columns columns index as not. Now okay. So where the data is present, the state and all the thing is order country, right? So I will take the order country. Where is the, this is the order country column, right? So I will take order country. Now I put order country here, and in order country what you want? India, right?
Yes.
So can I write here equal to India? Then what the thing what I'm getting in the output? If I run this particular thing, what I'm getting the output with respect to each row, I'm getting false true, false true, false true, right?
Yes.
And if I want only true, then what I need to do? I need to call this entire function into df1 again,
Yes.
right? And I will get okay. So what I will be do? If I call this entire function into the df1, okay, 1 minute. So now this data which is related to India only.
India. Yes.
Okay. Now this is the address. First, what we need to address India respective data we actually need to address this particular question. Now the next point, identify the city. How you identify the city? That city already given na there. Okay. So identify the okay in India what is the pending order that you need to identify. Okay. So what I will be do, this is the first code, and I use and
And yes. And double equals to pending.
no, here again I need to call that particular data. So what I will be do, df, are you getting my point? I will tell you, just wait. Okay, so here I will use, this is the df. Okay, just identify the pending order, huh? So I will do here pending order means we have df1, I'm sorry, df1,
Yes.
and what is the order status? The column name is the order status, right?
Yes.
So I will write order status, order status. Okay, and let's run. It is work or not? Why it shows? I think spelling mistake. No, no. Oh, S is capital. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. DF1. Okay, and what I want here, order status, right? So dot head I'm calling. Just wait. Dot head, and now I want to see where is the pending and all thing is given. Order status there only it is given, I think. So this is the, where is the thing? Order status. It shows pending. So I will use this okay as is capital there. Okay. So that's why I'm not getting. So now I will call order status and we call into the semicolon. Now you got, this is the order status, and where I'm interested right now in the pending only. Okay, so what I will type now, equal to this one pending. Okay,
Yes.
so okay, let's see where is the pending. So this one is the pending. Now if I run, okay, and this particular thing if I call, see, this is the pending order related information, and if I call this particular thing into the df1, then I will get only data which is related to pending order.
India.
So can I cut this particular line and paste inside that above line, above code here, and this one, now it's good, and this entire thing true means now what is the thing कि when first condition is the data should be belongs to the India, and next the order status should be pending. That data only I want for the analysis. Okay, let's run.
सर मेरे को खाली
It shows error. 1 minute. Huh? 1 minute. So use this 1 minute. 1 minute. I try to solve. Use the small bracket to show exact and condition. Now run. Now it's working. Yes. Now I here in this line means order country which respective the India and order is pending. So these two conditions satisfy, then only means this data we have, that is the satisfying these two condition. Now this particular thing I save into the df2. Okay, run df2, and df2 what I want now.
order city.
Okay, so just I call the columns first. Okay, maybe.
Sir.
So this is the COLS column, and now order city. There may be the city is available, right? Where is the order country is available? Order city. This is the order city, and I call this order city. So just wait. This is df2. Use capital bracket. Call order city. Order city. 1 minute. So you have now order city, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now what is your means question? You need to identify with respective each city in India what is the pending order.
Order status. Yes.
Order status. So what I will write, dot value count, because these are all are pending. df2 that is pending only. Just apply value count. Value underscore counts. Right? Run. What? So in Kanpur 25 order pending, Pune 24, Bangalore 24, Mumbai 18. This is the status. Okay, so are you able to identify if I ask any question key? Okay, now in US identify how many order is pending with respect to each city. You can do the same process, you can apply, right? Okay. Huh.
For India,
Yes.
data.
So
Just type complete dot.
so df1, and there I just call this order status. This is the order status, and I want to know ki what type of the data present in this particular column. Okay, so this is the order status. Okay, is equal to okay, I just want to know the data type now. The value
Value count.
counts. So this is the thing. Now you can see okay, what type of the data present. Here order status complete, that is present. Pending payment, that is given, means pending payment related information also given, and that is the 39,000. Processing, that is the given. Pending, only pending, that is given. Close, that is given. On hold given. Suspected fraud, that is given.
Yes.
And I want to know ki in which country maximum fraud is suspected. So you can identify.
Yes.
Okay, so try to do that particular thing. Okay. So the question, what is the question?
Out.
Okay, I write here which country has the most suspected Okay, so this is the data, and now I will do the markdown. Okay, I try to make small. Okay, small it, and now this is the thing. So this is the question. Okay, so how you will be identify? You already know that status is given into the order status, that information is given. Okay, what you need to do? Just call the df order status equal to equal
equals
to.
to suspected fraud. Yes.
That's it. You will get. Okay, so this is the suspected fraud. So I tried. I just copy here. Okay, 1 minute. Uh, df1. This is the order status. In order status equal to. I want this only, suspected fraud related data only. Okay, so I taken the suspected fraud related data. Okay, and now use here. Okay, so I call this particular error. So what you getting here? False true, that type of information. Now this entire thing, if I call in df, then you will get the data which is on the suspected fraud. Okay, so I will call this entire information in df1, and let's see what is the output. Now this data which is only related to,
Suspected fraud.
so can I save this data as a df3?
Yes.
Okay, and this is the suspected fraud related data. And now if I call the df3, what is the df3? I just want to see this is the thing, and in this particular data frame I want to do value count for
Suspected fraud.
suspected fraud. So how you will be do?
सिर्फ वैल्यू काउंट तो जरूरत नहीं है नीचे हमको
Call the columns of the df3. This is the column, and this data is only related to suspected fraud. So what we need to do, customer country I will take first. Country wise I want to understand now. So this is the customer country. I taken what is the DF3, that is the suspected fraud related data.
yes
Now what I will call only
customer
customer country. Can I apply the value count?
without value count
Uh,
counts
Counts.
yes
You will get
yes
this is the means the status. Okay.
yes
So this is I can put here this one comment. I just write here customer country. COS customer, I think I written rightly. Okay, so now I want to do the same thing with the order country, and let's see what is the information. Okay, and what the same thing you need to write, right? Just you need to use here order country, where order status is given in above. Okay, this one. So I will call df3 capital bracket this one order country dot value counts. You got
yes
with respect to the order country, you got the value count, or you can say the fraud, suspected fraud.
yes
Okay, so now one more. Okay, which product has maximum discount, that you need to identify. Okay, that is a question, and this type of the question, exploratory data analytics means you have data. Now your boss and anyone can ask you what is the status, means which product is maximum selling product in particular month. That information you need to identify. Okay, that is nothing but the operation analytics, you can say. If you do all this analytics in operation data, means that is operation analytics. The same concept you can apply anywhere, huh?
yes
Just data change. Okay, so the next question is which.
sorry to interrupt so can you have a breakfast
Okay, take no issue. Start the recording also. Which product has maximum discount? First, I call all the column, and there I just want to see what is the product actually present inside the data. So these are the product present, as well as the discount. I just see how much what is the means data available with respect to the discount. Now what you need to do, there is one function df dot group by, okay, and what I want first, where I'm interested means what is the first or primary thing, that is a product,
Yes.
right? After that I can identify the discount.
Yes.
First I know the product, then only I can identify the discount with respect to that product, right?
Yes.
Okay, so group by, and I write here product name column, means I call the product name column, this is the column product name, right?
Yes.
So I call that product name. Okay, so this is the group by, and let's see, actually this is df1. Let's see what is the thing. Group by means now as per the that particular column na, there are a lot of data present, but as per the product name, that thing is means their group is happening. Are you getting my point? Means 22,000 one product is available.
Yes.
That entire 22,000 product come
One.
into the one
One.
call one row. You can say
Duplicates present.
yes. Duplicates I we can't say, but we can say कि all product combine into the one, and that addition also done.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. So now we have data now with respect to the product name. Okay.
Yes.
So earlier what ke smartwatch. If 20,000 smartwatch, so watch is written and with respective value is written.
Yes.
But now what you got?
One
All the smartwatch in one place means all the smartwatch grouped together and with respective value you will get.
सर बट प्राइस सेम रहना चाहिए ना इसके लिए
No,
प्राइस और
no.
डिस्काउंट हर स्मार्ट वॉच का मतलब जो सेम कैटेगरी होगा
Hmm.
उसका प्राइस भी सेम ही होगा ना सर तो उसके लिए सेम रहना चाहिए ना
No, means the thing is
तो सर
like
फिर
that.
सर अगर ग्रुप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स जो है उसको कंबाइन करके अगर वन करेंगे
Hmm.
जैसे कि ये सेम स्मार्ट वॉच है उसको कंबाइन करके वन करेंगे और प्राइस डिफरेंट होगा तो प्राइस डिटरमाइन कैसे होगा
So that is my question. Question is कि in which product maximum discount is given. So first product I need to identify, right? With respect to cost, that is means doesn't matter right now. Product I identify, what
Yes.
amount of the cost is the applied, means discount is
Discount.
applied,
Yes.
that I will identify with respective each product.
Hmm.
There may be sometimes the discount is 20%, 30%, but how much maximum discount? Means maximum discount is given on which product, that I try to add it.
Hmm.
So let's see. This is the product name, and now group by is done. Means grouping is done on the basis of the product name.
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So consider that only. That column I am calling only column. Not worry about the other column. There only one column present, and their product name is present. Only product name is present. Are you getting my point? It is not means now related with the other price and other thing. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So only one column is there, and with respect to that one column, I am doing the grouping. Okay, this product is one group, this product one group, like that. Okay. So now I have group. Now I call this particular thing into the order item discount. Okay. So try to understand the code. This is the order item discount. I call entire this thing. Means group by is done. Means now my column number of rows is reduced in that particular column.
Yes.
Okay, and that row only I call in order item discount. Okay, so this is the thing. So now all the thing is saved. Now what you need to do, I got the discount with four. Suppose one product has a 22,000. One product I already identify na. Some product has 22, some product only this 24,000, some 22, 21, some 27, 15, 10, 10. So on what basis I can say कि maximum discount is given? I need to identify average.
Yes.
Average I need to identify. Okay.
सर ये 24 5 and 5 SKUs है ना
What?
मतलब इसके डिफरेंट ये है ना उसके मतलब कितने per
नहीं,
है ना
ये प्रोडक्ट है वो सेल हुआ है 24,515 like that. Okay. So now, and with respective discount may be vary. Okay, you can't say कि the same cost for all customer and all country. But now this data you have, and now I want the mean. Mean means average, right? So mean, and if I run, so this is the mean, means average.
yes.
Okay. So now you got, means you got the value, and there means average discount is given with respect to each product. So where is the maximum? How you can identify maximum? Or I can sort this value. There is one more thing. Sort values in ascending, or I think descending is better. Okay. So there is the ascending equal to false if I write, and I run. Now see, where is the maximum discount? Which product has the maximum discount? Sol E3 elliptical, their maximum discount. Or you can identify by use of the max function. So are you able to understand group by? Okay.
फिर तो मैक्स करना तो डॉट मैक्स और ब्रैकेटिंग करना
What is the function? Apply means I want to apply some function on this particular column. Okay. And now there is the one thing like lambda is used for that particular purpose, means for making the function small function. What is the function? I will tell you, just wait. So apply lambda, lambda. Now x means some name is present inside the product name, something is present. Yes, I assume something is x. Okay, something is x, I assume. Now I want to divide that present x inside, that I want to divide, or I want to split with dash. Okay, because in product name first Nike will come, after that something is come,
yes.
so dash will be present.
Yes.
So on the basis of the dash I want to split. Okay, so what I need to use, this is the space. On the basis of the space I want to split. Okay, so now split, and that is the first string in that particular thing. Okay, first means 0, means I am calling the first. And now if वो जो first वाला है, the zero index, if I split ना, so what will be the first means zero index, that is the Nike,
Yes.
right? If and else I try to apply. If that is Nike, or you can say Nike, if Nike in, okay, then it will pass in x, else 0. That maybe this will feel little bit difficult. Just I try to give more idea about that. Just wait. But this is the df now, and there you will get the Nike related information. Okay, 0 means Nike is not present. And now if I apply, means I assume that this one I just write here, I will explain, just wait. What is the function? So this is, I assume that this is the related information related to Nike, or Nike. Okay, and I use, and this is the df, my new df, right? And now what I will say, in this Nike is present kya? Okay, so let's see. Df, this one, df Nike is equal to what the thing should be present, Nike. Now you got false, true, and many things. Okay, so what is the thing? Okay, so now you will get, and if I call this particular thing into the, where I need to call, into the df, means actual df, then you will get the data.
Yes.
All data I am getting. Now if I do the value count, you will get all the product related information. Okay, so what I need to do, value counts I can apply, or another thing I need to do. No. I just do, I just try to identify the length. Let it. Length means the product, na?
Yes.
Now 57,309 product related to Nike. Okay. So these are the things. Now just I try to call what is the function, just